cat game, we're going to start with our middle C and we are going to skip from C to E to G. Follow me. Skip. Over to the mouse game. I'm going to be playing a similar melody, but I'm going to start higher. My thumb is now on E and 3 G and 5 on B. Follow me.